Okay, so after we have the seat removed, we need to take out these two screws. So here I have a number 3 Phillips bit on a driver. And we're just gonna remove those. All right, so next up is we're gonna remove this metal plate here. So once we do so, the seat may flip around, but you'll see it. So we get it like that. So I'm grabbing it by the back of the frame here, kind of lifting up. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna remove this white piece right here, just like so. And to install, we're gonna reverse the process. The screw holes line up through the slots here. So down and in like so. And then tilt chair back into its slot. Should sit like that. Metal piece back in. Tighten your screws. And replace your seat. Should be all set.